If you make $100,000 a year, you probably can't afford a $500,000 house. And if that sounds crazy, good, because today we're not talking about getting approved. We're talking about who can actually afford it without being stressed every single month. Let's run the real numbers. What income does someone need to live in that house comfortably, not barely survive, comfortably? Step 1. The down payment. Traditionally, you put 20% down. On $500,000, that's $100,000 cash. Most people don't have that, so they put down 5% or 10%, which means bigger loan, higher monthly payment, and something called PMI, extra insurance you pay because you didn't put 20% down. Right away, the cost climbs. Step 2. The real monthly cost. Let's assume $450,000 loan, around 6 to 7% interest. Your mortgage payment alone is roughly $2,800 per month, but that's not the full number. Step 3. What income supports that? Financial experts say you shouldn't spend more than about 30% of your income on housing. To comfortably afford $4,400 per month, you need to make around $170,000 to $190,000 per year. That's the range where the math actually works. Not $100K, not $120K, not even $140K comfortably. Closer to $180K. And most households don't make that. Real life example. Let's say a couple makes $160,000 combined. Sounds solid, right? After taxes, they might take home around $9,500 per month. Subtract $4,400 for housing, they're left with about $5,000. Now add 2 cars, insurance, gas, student loans, groceries, utilities, health costs. Suddenly, there's not much margin. One big repair, one job issue, one emergency, and things get tight, fast. That's what being house poor looks like. The big truth. Banks will approve you based on risk formulas, but approval doesn't mean comfort. It doesn't mean flexibility. It doesn't mean peace of mind. It just means the bank believes you can probably make the payments. That's a very different standard. So, who can really afford a $500K house? Realistically, households earning $170K plus, with stable jobs, with emergency savings, with low other debt. Before you look at what you're approved for, run your real numbers. Ask yourself, can I afford this and still save? Can I handle a $5,000 repair? Can I sleep at night? If this breakdown helped you think more clearly about buying a home, subscribe for more straight talk personal finance content. No hype, just math. And if you're currently house hunting, drop your income range in the comments. I'll help you pressure test the numbers. See you in the next one.